Hey, what's up, guys? This is kind of a proof of concept, pretty much. This is not done by means. I'm just making sure it actually works before I go any further with it. But I figured I'd take you guys along for the first firing of it, see if it does work. If it doesn't, I guess you won't even see this video. So, anywho, if it does work, I will finish it up and have a full video of how I made it. Let's see what happens. Try to get you down here where you can kind of see it a little better. I'm going to take a little second to scoot this over some. Lamp here, I think. Don't want that falling out. So. We'll let this run. I'll either skip through or fast forward this part. See what happens. I can already tell my flames are coming forward instead of back, so I'm going to try and adjust that torch angle a little more. Nope. And I've got just an old railroad spike in there. Where it warms up and where it doesn't. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and kill the camera and We'll come back to it. Hot good. Just a couple minutes. It's even that long. You can see that or not. It's hard to see the video. Definitely going to get hot enough for knives. So play with it and let it see if it's going to get hot enough for that railroad spike. I don't plan to do any kind of forge welding. I don't plan on doing any kind of forge welding or anything like that with this. So just curious if it would get hot enough to do a spike. That being dirty is better than nothing on it. I think it's going to be a good one, or good enough for me anyway. I'm going to let this keep heating up. And like I said, I'll have a full video of it coming up. Thanks for watching. Okay, I thought I'd throw this in there. It's been about 7 minutes since I originally put this in there. Hopefully you can see that on camera, but it's already glowing. It's definitely going to get hot enough to play around with some spikes. And it's actually a lot more even than I thought it would be. It's a little more hot here, you can tell, than on the tip, but not where it's going to be a problem.